International system of numeration. So in this we are going to discuss about what are the terms we are going to use to read and write the large numbers. So in Indian system, of reading and writing of the terms for the large numbers are different when you compare with the international system. We use terms like lakh we use. Okay, so this lakh, 1 lakh means a 6 digit number. 10 lakhs means a 7 digit number. And for 8 digit number, we call it as 1 crore. Okay, not 100 lakhs, we call it as 1 crore for 8 digit number. And followed by this, we use 10 crores for 9 digit number, and 100 crores for 10 digit number. So this is the way we use the terms in the Indian system. So how we read and write the large numbers in Indian system. Now coming to the international system. So here reading and writing are different when you compare with the Indian system. We use the words like million. So 1 million, which represents a 7 digit number, and followed by this, when you see a 10 million, when 10 million, when you use, it represents a 8 digit number, and 100 million, it represents a 9 digit number. And after that, we use the another terminology, that is 1 billion. 1 billion, which means it is having 10 digit number. So this is the representation of international system, how we read and write. Next, comparing Indian and international system. So when you want to compare the Indian system of numbers, how we read and write with the international way of system. So here we use 10 lakhs. So that will be equal to 1 million. That will be equal to 1 million in the international system. Suppose you want to say 100 lakhs, so that will be like 1 crore. So that will be equal to 10 million. That will be equal to 10 million. So you want to write 1 crore in the Indian system, then that will be equal to 100 million. 100 million in the international system. So in the same way, you increase the number here, like 100 crore when you are going to write. So that will be equal to 1 billion. That will be equal to 1 billion. So this is the way we compare the large numbers. The tens, hundreds, thousands are some. Tens, hundreds, thousands are same when you are going to see in the Indian system and international system. So next topic, keeping commas. How you keep commas in the Indian system and international system. So in the Indian system, we know first we use comma for every first three-digit number from right to left. Three-digit number from right to left, and here also we are going to keep first comma for three-digit number from right to left. After that, we keep comma for every two-digit number here in the Indian system from right to left, and here we are going to keep same three-digit. After three digits only, we are going to keep comma in the international system. So, for example, when you see a large number here, 7, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 9, 8, 1, you want to see. So this large number, first we are going to keep comma for from right to left. First three-digit number we are going to keep comma. After that, for every two-digit number we are going to keep comma here and here. So this will be when you keep comma, we know the positions. So this will be the thousands position, this will be the lakhs, and this will be the crores. So it will be read as like 71 crores, 24 lakhs, 56,000 and 981. So when you see the same number in the international system, for every three-digit number from right to left we are going to keep comma. So here first comma, after that second comma we are going to keep. So this will be read as like this is the thousandth position and this will be the millions position. If at all you have another number like 6 here, so then it will be billion position. So now this will be read as 6 billion 701 to 712 million 456,981. So this is the way we use commas and how we compare the terminologies